Hello everyone. So now we can add our item to cart, and now what we want is when we click on the uh, cart icon, we should be able to go to cart screen. So let's implement our cart screen. So for that I'm going to add a new cart screen here in our main screen directory. So add a new dart file and name it card screen, and then I'm going to import material.dart, and then I can add a final stateful widget card screen, and then I'm going to add final string seller UID and card screen this dot seller UID. So go to app bar, and here on tab we can write our we can navigate to card screen from here. So let's copy it from splash screen and paste it here and write card screen, and then we are going to pass our seller UID. So now if we click here, we are going to card screen. Then I'm going to add a list of integer type, separate item quantity list, and, and num total amount equals to 0. Let's add a init state, total amount equals to 0, then provider dot of total amount. Okay, so we need to create total amount class, so we can go to assistant methods and create a new dart file called total underscore amount, and here we can write class total amount extends change notifier double total amount equals to 0 double get total amount, or you can write the amount underscore total amount, and add a function called display total amount double number. Total amount equals to number. Await future dot delete const duration milliseconds about 100, then notify listener. Go to cart screen, and here we can write context listen false, display, okay, total amount. Let's import our total amount class, and we can write here this, then separate item quantity list equal to separate item quantity list. And we can let's go to our assistant methods, separate item, so separate item quantities list. Now we can I think separate item quantities, not quantity. So now we can import this function. Then let's write scaffold app bar app bar background color Foodpanda color, then title text Foodpanda clone, style text style, color colors dot white, icon theme data color colors dot white, center title true, automatically imply leading to true as well, floating action button row main axis dot space around. Now we can add children, size box of width 10, alignment dot bottom left, child floating action button dot extended, then on pressed we can keep the on pressed open for now. And let's add text. Clear card. Style. Text style. Font size of 16 and colors dot white. Then we can give the background color Foodpanda color. So that's our button, and we can add a tag. So hero tag ETN1. We can add an icon. So icons dot delete colors dot white. And on pressed we can write clear card now. We can send the context, then navigator dot push context material page route splash screen. And we can add a Flutter toast dot show toast card has been cleared. We can add another button. Let's add that. And here we're going to, we can remove this on pressed function, code, and we can give this btn2, and instead of clear card we can write checkout. And let's see whether there is any icon for checkout or not. Check out. We can just use tick mark. And here on pressed I'm going to send the user to address screen. So we will do that later. So from checkout we are going to go to address screen. And that was our floating action button. So now we can work on our body. So let's add body, custom scroll view, sliver, persistent header, pinned true, text widget header title my cart list, and stream builder we are going to pass a stream. In that way we can see our items in the cart. So let's add a Firebase Firestore dot instance dot collection. We can directly write items dot where item id where in separate item IDs. I think I made a mistake in the name, so then we can write order by published published date descending to true dot snapshot. And in builder we can write context snapshot return snapshot dot has data sliver to box adapter child center child circular progress, and then snapshot dot if snapshot dot data dot docs dot length equals 0, then we are going to show empty container. Otherwise we will show sliver list delegate sliver child builder delegate context index items model equals to items from JSON snapshot dot data dot docs index dot data as map string dynamic. If index equals 0, then total amount should be 0. So total amount equals to 0, and then total amount equals to total amount plus model dot price separate item quantity list index, else we can copy it and paste here, and after this we can write if snapshot dot data dot docs dot length -1 equals index, then widget binding dot instance dot add post frame callback, and we can add a provider dot of total amount listen false dot display total amount display total amount dot to double. Then after this if we can return cart design, cart item design. So let's create cart item design in our widgets. So add a new dart file, cart underscore item underscore design. So import material.dart stateful widget cart item design. We will need items model class. So let's import that, and then we need build context and final int quantity number. And now we can initialize them. Item design this dot model, this dot context, this dot quantity number. So in our cart screen we can write cart item design model context should be context as well, and quantity number separate item quantity list and pass the index. And after this we can add child count, snapshot dot has data, then snapshot dot data dot docs dot length or else 0. Let's add semicolon here, Now we can design our cart item. So let's run our app again. And now we can see that it's rotating. That means okay, so you can see there is this link. You can click this one and it will tell you to sign in, and you can sign it. After signing in, you can see that there is this create or update indexes. If you go to your project, so save it, and it will take some time. It's still building, so we will wait for that. And meanwhile we can, okay, let's wait for this. I will come back when it finishes building. So our index has been enabled. As you can see in status, it was building before, now it's enabled. So now we can rerun our app and let's see whether we can see items in our cart. So we are getting error because in main.dart we need to add total amount. Now go to this. Yes, now it's showing our card item design. So let's design our card item design screen. So what we can write is, we can write just a detector, child, padding edge insets dot all, around 10 should be fine. Then child container height 100, width media query dot of context dot size dot width. We can add a child and add column, and then children row, children image dot network widget dot model dot thumbnail URL. You can see our item, but it's way too big, so let's decrease the size. We can assign a width and height. So height should be around 80 and width should be around 140. Then we can add size box width 10 expanded column child column cross axis alignment dot start, then main axis alignment dot center, children text widget dot model dot title, style text style, colors dot black, font size 16, font weight dot bold. Then we can add row main axis alignment dot space between children text. We can add x to show multiply, plus widget dot quantity number dot to string, and style text style, colors dot black 54, font weight dot bold. And then we can add price, so add a price widget dot, we can just copy this one and paste it here, and instead of x let's write taka, and here we can write price, sorry, model dot price. Dot to string. We need to add null check here. So now we can see that in our cart we can see there is this item image and item title, then quantity number and price. Let's go to cart screen, and after this stream builder we can add sliver to box adapter, child consumer to total amount, and cart item counter, builder context, amount, provider and cart provider. See, then we can add return padding edge insets dot all to 10. Then we can add center, child cart provider dot count equals 0, empty container, or else column children row main axis alignment dot space between children text total amount including VAT, so total incl dot VAT style textile colors dot black font size 18 and font weight dot bold. You can add semicolon here. So now we can see our text. Let's copy this and paste it again. So now we can write taka plus amount provided dot t amount dot to string. We can see total amount. So our cart screen is done. Now let's click clear cart, and it says cart has been cleared. And when we go to cart, we can see it's cleared. So that's it. Now we were getting some error, so we need to fix this. So if our cart is empty, then we shouldn't be able to go to cart screen. So we will fix that in the next video. So please subscribe to my channel and hit like to the videos. Thank you.